Welcome to my action figure vertical template. Let me give you a brief demonstration of what it's all about. There are a variety of different sports within this series, and each of the sports has their own accessories. So for example, baseball, you can see all these fun accessories here. Here's an example of basketball. Football has some fun stuff. Softball, track, and there's a bunch of others. You can modify any of the colors within the template, so even the baseball helmet, for example, can be modified, or this foam finger, lots of different options to customize it. And you can even incorporate your subject's own personal elements. All you have to do is photograph them just like you photograph your subject, extract them, and drag them, drop them into the template, and it'll automatically create this little bubble around them wherever you place it. And obviously anything can be moved around, adjusted. For example, there's even a catcher's helmet within this that you can add to it or shut off. And there's also a catcher's glove. Each of these templates have a bunch of fun different labels. For example, game day gear included, collect all 9. So whatever number of seniors or athletes that you're creating these for, you can put a different number in there. Home run action figure, limited edition senior, manufactured by, made in the USA. All these can be adjusted. You can add in your own fun sayings. It also has an optional label where you can hide the feet, just like that. You can easily add your own subject. So here's a subject I extracted, and then I'm going to shut off my sample subject and then drag and drop him into the template and position him where I think he looks good. And then I can adjust the colors to fit him exactly. These action figure templates have a ton of possibilities and are a lot of fun. Hope you love them.